Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech for Gamers. I'm back with another Raid Shadow Legends tutorial, and in this video we are going to be learning how to fix connection errors in Raid Shadow Legends. If you're trying to play Raid Shadow Legends and you are noticing that you are having connection errors, then the first thing you should do is to make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Go ahead and switch between your Wi-Fi or your cellular data. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and once it is connected, you might be able to fix the connection error. Also try testing your connection by opening up a browser or another app. Avoid networks with high latency or packet loss. Once you've made sure that the internet is working, the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up and restart the Raid Shadow Legends completely. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and then bring the app switcher and close off all of the application running in the background, including Raid Shadow Legends, and launch it open again. Once you do that, this will refresh your application and you might be able to fix the login issue or the connectivity issue. If the problem still continues, make sure that you have updated your Raid Shadow Legends application to the latest version. If you're not sure about that, go open up your Google Play Store or your App Store and go to the search bar and type in Raid Shadow Legends. Once you search for the Raid Shadow Legends app, make sure that you see an update button. If you see the update button instead of play, then tap on update to download the latest version of the application. If you want to enable the auto update for Raid Shadow Legends, then go to the top right corner from the page and click on the three dots and make sure that you've checked this enable auto update option. Make sure it is ticked, and once you do that, whenever a latest updates appear, you'll be able to download the latest version of the Raid Shadow Legends app automatically on your device. Once you have the updated version of Raid Shadow Legends, go ahead and open up the game and check if that works for you. Try battling or try opening up the game and wait for a few seconds and see if that fixes the issue. If the problem still continues, then if you have any VPNs connected on your device, disable that first. Disable your VPN or proxy and try reconnecting again with the game, and that might be able to fix your issue. Sometimes servers may be under maintenance, so you can visit the Plarium support page or social media to check their server updates. The problem might be temporary. After a few time, they will be able to fix it and get it working back again for you. So those were some of the fixes you could try out if you're having connectivity issue or connection errors in the Raid Shadow Legends application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.